Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, yes, it's that time of month again, and you know what that means. It's subscription boxes. So I have managed to get all of the subscription boxes this month. They have been coming in different stages, but we've managed to get our hands on them. Some have been here for a good week or so, but you know me, I like to put them all together in one video. So get yourselves comfortable, get a cuppa, and let's get into the video. Okay, so today we are unboxing obviously my April beauty subscription boxes. You guys all know that I am obsessed with subscription boxes, or anything that comes in a box and is with beauty. You know, when it comes to opening it on this channel, we love it. So we're going to start off with the boxes, and I'll leave all the details down below, all the subscriptions down below, so you can go and check them out. Let me know what you are subscribed to and what did you think of the boxes this month. You guys know that I did a little couple of days boycotting of a couple of the boxes, which I'm now back to subscribe to, and yeah, so let's get into the video. First up, we have Birchbox. Now, have you seen how they have sent this month? I think this is how they're going to be sending them from now on, because they want to get, you know, clamp down on recycling and stuff like that. So this little thing here is called a stasher, and it says, welcome to the Stasher Club. Stasher's bags are the endlessly reusable silicone alternative to a single-use plastic. You can microwave it, it's hob safe, freezer friendly, dishwasher safe, oven strong, and sous vide ready, so you can boil it. That's what I think, that's what that means. This is what it looks like. It's so cool. So it's all closed up there, and yeah, you can put food in there, you put your products in there, and it just tells you how to use it. You can put bath salts in there, do whatever you want with it. So yeah, let's get into what we have here. Okay, so something smells good. I thought there was a bit of rose in here. So first up, we have a shampoo bar from Green Frog Botanic, and it's got rose smell, absolutely. It's an argan oil and rose oil, 96% natural ingredients, and it says meet the solid shampoo that will give liquid versions a run for their money. Formulated with a blend of argan oil, rose oil and aloe vera, this totally plastic free shampoo not only deep cleanses your hair, it also leaves your locks feeling deeply hydrated and nourished. Vegan friendly, plastic free, no nasty chemicals, and 100% biodegradable. Did you know that the UK population throws away 520 million shampoo bottles every year? So this is retailing at £4.95, and you can get it from their website greenbotanic.co.uk. Next up, we have from Hygiene Paris, which is this little bottle here. This is worth £31. Say hello to glow with this cocktail of 7 organic oils that naturally aid skin regeneration while you enjoy a peaceful slumber. I can smell, definitely smell lavender in there. I'll have to give it a try. So this is a 5ml sample size, but the original is £31. Okay, so then next up we have from Algology. I'm so sorry, I have literally just butchered the name of this. I've never heard of this brand before, and it's a hydro replenishing booster packed with hyaluronic acid and natural marine active ingredients. Think algae, coastal plant and seawater. This jellified moisturising serum is designed to deliver immediate hydration and comfort to even the driest of skins, and follow with a moisturiser for soft, supple skin. Okay, and this is retailing at £33. Next up we have full size, and this is from the Beauty Crop. I've been seeing lots of videos about the Beauty Crop and eyeshadow palettes and stuff like that. I absolutely love the packaging. This mascara is just so cool. So it's the fabulous flocking lashes. This waterproof, budge-proof formula is the everyday mascara of dreams. It's enriched with argan and jojoba oil to lengthen, thicken and nourish your eyelashes from within. Beauty Crop is a female-founded brand inspired by healthy living, creating products enhanced with nutrition derived from natural ingredients. So that's the brush. That's an interesting brush. I haven't seen something like this for a very long time. They've all been the synthetic, really thin ones that I'm at the moment. And then the last product in the Birchbox this month is a Nails Ink eyeshadow nail varnish. Looking super juicy nail polish, a vibrant watermelon scented. Ooh, I can't smell watermelon, it just smells of nail varnish. This warm pinky red polish glides effortlessly onto your nails thanks to the painted organamic brush design. So that is the shade. I like that. It's a nice summery shade. Thank you, Birchbox. That's what's in there. Then next up we have Mask Time, and this is obviously the subscription of face sheet masks. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 masks, and we have a fresh to go, and this is a pumpkin mask sheet. Interesting. A moist sponge aqua mask. Oh, that's a bit spongy. From the Beautiful Factor. Aqua sheet mask. Oh, my eyes. That's cool. Aqua sheet mask. Then we have a collagen water full moist soothing mask. Okay. So that's that. They're all in Korean, so I can't really read. Red ginseng. I don't know what it says, but anyway. And then we've got Yellow Market Lacquer Sheet Mask. It's a brightening and wrinkle care mask. And then we have another hydrating dual active impulse mask. I need to do a mask. It's been a while since I've done a mask. And next up we have Beguile Beauty. You guys know how much I love this. This is one of the higher end brand beauty boxes. So yeah, I know quite a few of you have been actually subscribed to this since you've been watching me. So let me know what you are thinking of the boxes. Here it is, not been touched. It's been sat here for nearly 2 weeks, I think. Had it for a while. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. So what I love about Beguile Beauty is I have really expanded my Too Faced collection of the brand, and I've really gotten to know the brand and I absolutely love it. And yes, we have another Too Faced product in here, and this is the translucent smoothing finishing powder, and it's Peach Blur. How cute is that? And then it's just a, oh wow. Okay, then next up we have a KVD Shake Primer, High Impact Eyeshadow Primer. I'm sure I've had this in another box before, I'm sure of it. If I have, then I'll put this one in the giveaway. It's got like an oil base to it, and you can see like little bubbles in there as well. I'm sure I've had this before, so definitely gonna see if I have. And then next up we have a Fenty Beauty product, and this is the Stunner Lip Paint long wear fluid lip colour, and it's in the shade Uncuffed. Oh wow, I've been wanting one of these for such a long time. Look at the packaging, how gorgeous is that? Wow, that's nice. It's really soft on the lips as well. And what's it going to do? Go one stroke intensity, long wear matte finish. So it goes on and it's going to dry as a matte. Wow, but it doesn't feel like it's soaked up. It's really nice. And my lips will still feel really soft and smooth and hydrated. Next up we have the Balm Mr. Right long lasting eyeliner pencil. I love the packaging, it's like a postcard. So this is in a Seymour Date Night Nude. Oh, it's a nude eyeliner. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Handy to have. And then the last thing in here is a gold sheet mask. This is from Star Skin VIP. A revitalizing luxury biocellulose face mask. Yeah, that's it. And you've got 3 steps to do. There, so definitely going to give that a try. So thank you very much, Beguile, for your box this month. Absolutely love it as always. Next up we have Look Fantastic. This was the one that I was waiting for again, and I finally got it. And what do we have in this month's box? Okay, so for first up we have, so it was either a choice of the highlighter and eyeshadow or another nail varnish from Nails Ink, and that's what I've got, and this is in the shade Mayfair Lane. I like this, it's like a nude. I'm so bad at doing nails. So that's what that shade is. That's quite nice. That's a nice nude if you want to stay nice and plain. I like that, but you definitely need a couple of coats, like a pinky nude. Then we have from Glove a Screwbex exfoliating accessory for soft and kissable lips, and it's a tool designed to both exfoliate and treat cracked chapped lips and encourage blood circulation for a fuller pout. Expect to see results immediately. Okay, so you're just going to exfoliate, and that's what it is. That's super cute. Then next up we have from Beauty Pro a rose infused sheet mask. Rose, chamomile and seaweed, calming and hydrating, helps to revitalise and moisture. So another sheet mask. Honestly, that drawer, oh, I've got so many. I need to start getting rid of them. Do sheet masks go off? Does anyone know if sheet masks go off? Then we have a product from Ren Clean Skincare, an Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. And that's what that looks like. A daily moisturiser enriched with a powerful blend of antioxidants and soothing seed oils to calm and nourish your skin. Designed to protect your skin against dehydration and external aggressors to tackle signs of premature aging. Oh, okay. And then next up we have from my favourite, one of my favourite skincare brands, and it's Avant. This is really expensive. It's a 30ml, so this has got to be about £60–70, and it's a pink orchid hyaluronic glycerin white peony overnight serum. Wow. Okay, and then the last product is some Eyelure London 3/4 length eyelashes. 3/4 length. Interesting. Lightweight lashes to give your makeup look a bit of added oomph, with wing shape to elongate the eyes, designed to give fullness while still looking delicate, quick to apply and gentle to remove with glue included. So basically they just go like towards the middle and the end. So before, and that's what it looks like after. Then next up we have Glossy Box. So we've got the info card here, it tells you what's inside. A little May sneak peek, and in May sneak peek we have a Rodial Beauty Dragon's Blood eye mask coming, so I'm looking forward to grabbing that. First up we have from -417 a Serenity Legend Hydrating Dead Sea Bath Salt. Oh, I don't do baths, but that looks really good. It's the deluxe size, and this is worth £2.17, and then the full size is actually £10.24. Then we have from Sophia and Mabel a eyeshadow quad, and this is retailing at £25. Let's have a look. The packaging is so cute, so springy, isn't it? Oh, that's cute. They look quite cute actually. They're like Neapolitan shades. They blend quite well on. I'll have to give it a try, create a look using this, but for £25, I don't know, I was expecting a bit. Anyway, so next up we have another product from, where's this from? Feel Free, and it's an antioxidant eye contour cream, and that's worth £4.77, hydrating the under eyes whilst also eliminating small lines around the eyes. Interesting. And then we have from Dwatton Paris, DWTM Paris. It's a liquid blusher. Oh wow, it's a blusher. Very dark, isn't it? And this is worth £18.58. That's a nice colour actually. So it goes on like an orange, but then again I've got a pink eyeshadow on there, so it's kind of made it pinky. But I like that. That's nice. Okay, and then the last product is Skin & Co. Roma, and this is a Truffle Therapy Morning Dew. It's a cleanse, uplift and brighten your complexion, packed with superhero ingredients. It's a gentle cleanser, will soon be an essential step in your skincare routine. And this is the Deluxe Mini, and it's worth £1.98, but the full size is worth £18.29, which is not a bad price. Very random prices, aren't they? But anyway, so that is what's inside Glossy Box this month. And then the last one is Look Incredible. You guys know I love this one too. This is another high-end brand luxury box, and yeah, it's very heavy. Don't know what's inside this one, but yeah, let's give it a try. So we've got some more Too Faced, and this is the 3-in-1 hangover setting spray, which I have here. So this one is going to be put into the giveaway prize, or just put it to the side, and I'm sure someone's going to come and rob it, some sister or something like that. That's retailing at £28. Then the next palette product we have is a palette. Okay, so here is the palette, and it's from Velvet 59 Rose Metal Palette. Oh wow, they're nice. And that's what that looks like. And this palette is a stunning, packaged in a metal foil exterior, same foil as the pans, shadow pans, which is covered in this decorative paper design. It feels very sturdy and sleek. The design on the palette is absolutely beautiful and represents the brand style and aesthetic so well. The design is classic yet modern, which is so perfect for this palette. The shadows can be removed and replaced in the palette, which is really nice, especially as you finish certain shades, you can replace them. The names are written above the shades. Oh wow. They're cute, aren't they? They're nice shades. So yeah, definitely going to give that a palette a go. So that's what that is, and that's retailing at £32. Then next up we have a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and it's a mascara so amazing it's better than sex and waterproof. So this is retailing at £22. So we're definitely going to give, well, I've got this one, I think. Yeah, I love the packaging. So it looks like it's got water all over it. That's so nice to say that it's waterproof. Then we have a Stila All Day Vinyl Lip Gloss, and this is worth £10.99. Oh yeah, I like that. So that's what that is. Definitely like that. And that's worth £10.99. Now this is all worth over £92.99, and all the products are available for you to go and buy at lookincredible.co.uk. So go and I'll leave all that down below. And you also get a free gift in this month as well, which is a little makeup bag, or a skincare bag, and this is Elemis times Travel Right Draw collab. Oh, that's so cute. So, and it's by Miley. I can't read that. But anyway, that is what the bag looks like. How cute is that? It's the Tower Bridge, isn't it? That's really, really cute. So yeah, that's nice to have in your handbag, just to go away for like a little weekend or something. It's quite handy. Little makeup bag. So yeah, that's it. That's what I have for you this month with all my subscription boxes. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I need to go and get myself cleaned up. Thank you so much for tuning in again, and I will see you all on another video on Beauty and the Kids. Bye.